So let me show you guys how to download and install an AI model inside LM Studio. So we'll first open LM Studio. From here on your left side, click on this search icon. So I'll be downloading the Qwen 3 AI model, a vision language model. So click it and click on this download button over here. So give it time for it to be downloaded. So the download is complete. So you can click here so that you can use it on the new chart. You can close and you can see the AI models that you have recently downloaded appear under my models. So that's basically how to download and install an AI model in LM Studio. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.